Hey guys, I'm here in my hotel room at the Lowe's in Miami Beach. And first I came down here with my husband for the first half of my vacation, so I had a room with him. And then for the second half of my vacation, I'm actually staying with two friends down here. And so I'm already in a room here with one of my friends, and then I have another friend who is arriving tomorrow, so that's going to be really exciting, and it's my friends from college, so I'm really looking forward to getting to see them and spend some time with them. So let me just show you guys a quick look around the hotel room. First of all, I'm in the bathroom, and there's a really nice little vanity area here, and I like how it lights up around the mirror. And then there's also this awesome makeup slash shaving mirror right here. And then there's a bunch of girly stuff on the counter. And then here's the shower, and the shower is really nice. I really like these showers. And there's the shower head. I'll turn off this light. The shower. And then there are extra towels down there, and then there's a hair dryer. And then over here, the toilet. And then the room comes with these cute little robes. And the door to the bathroom is just this sliding door. I just pushed it and it is closing. And then out here is the main door just to get into the room. And then this is the closet right here. And inside the closet, just some room for luggage or whatever. And then extra bedding. And then over here is a cabinet, and in here is it's just like a little fridge, and there's a mini bar and stuff. And then over here some coffee and just other little things that you might want. And then down here are some drawers for clothes and whatnot. And then in here is just the main bedroom area, and there's this nice full-length mirror. And then here's the TV, and then the ice bucket, and another ice bucket, and a plant, and then more drawers to put stuff in. And over here is the bed, and I really like the color scheme in this room. It's just so relaxing, and it has this really beachy feel to it. And this little chair right here actually pulls out into a bed. So then this bed is a king bed, and then that one is, I guess the size is like a twin bed. So then it'll easily fit 3 people when my other friend comes. And then over here is, let's see, what else? The desk. And there are 2 chairs at the desk, and then a huge pile of mess right there. Not really a lot to see right there. And then a little side table, a cool lamp, and then here's the balcony, and it has 2 chairs. It's a really nice balcony. So out here you can see the Atlantic Ocean. And I think the camera might fog up soon, but here's the rest of the hotel. As you can see over here, there are more rooms all along here, and then down here, I'm not really sure what that is. It's maybe a helicopter landing pad, I don't know. But over there are more hotels, or possibly condos, I don't know, just mixtures of apartments, hotels, and condos all along the strip here. Out at the beach, I'm zooming in right now, are little stands, and actually it looks like they closed up for the day because it's already past 5 o'clock, but out at the ocean they have little chairs and umbrellas that you can rent, and you can sit right on the beach while relaxed in a chair with an umbrella so you're protected from the sun. And it's been a little bit overcast these past couple of days, but actually right now it looks like the sky is clearing up, and I think it's supposed to get nicer for the next few days, so that's pretty exciting because, you know, it's not that big of a deal if it's raining, but you don't really want it to rain when you're on vacation. Oh, I think that hotel still has all of their umbrellas and stuff out for their guests. So that's how that looks. And I I guess that's about it. If you guys have any questions, then let me know down in the comments, but I'm pretty happy here at the hotel. I think my only complaint is that when you go out to the ocean and you use the chairs and the umbrellas, they charge you an extra like $45 for the day. And in my past experiences here at the past couple hotels I've stayed at, they just include the chairs and the umbrellas in the cost of your stay. You don't have to pay extra to be able to use those when you're out at the ocean. So I guess that's really my only complaint, because that does make it a little bit more expensive than you thought when you booked the room. So that's something to keep in mind. But other than that, the hotel is really nice, and the pool is really nice, and the ocean's obviously great. It's nice to be right on the ocean. So no major complaints, and thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys are having a good summer. Bye!